Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a high converting landing page for Facebook ads. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to a page named system.io. And it's this one right here. Now system.io is an online marketing and business automation platform. It's primarily designed to help small businesses, entrepreneurs, and affiliate programs. You can use it for loads of stuff such as CRM, landing page creation, which is what we're gonna do right now, e-commerce, webinar hosting, affiliate program management, membership sites, email marketing, and stuff like that. If you don't already have an account on this, click on Get My Free Account. And here you go. This is how the dashboard looks like. So from here, the first thing that you need to do is go to the funnels and then create a new funnel. You can name the funnel whatever you want. I'm gonna name it Facebook. And from here you have 4 options, but in reality you're just gonna be using either build an audience or sell. Now, build an audience is collect email addresses and build your email list. That is if you want to make marketing email campaigns and stuff like that. Sell a product or service. This is if you want to send customers to a product or service. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be building an audience. Here you can choose the currency. I'm just going to go euro and save. Now that we've done this, click on the funnel. And from here, you can see these 2 steps right here. This is the squeeze page, and this is the thank you, aka the download page. Now you can create a step or just create a new page. These are the pages that you can add. So this is the sales page, the thank you page. You have some forms if you want. There's webinars and stuff like that. Now I'm okay with the squeeze page and the thank you page, so I'm just gonna be searching for a decent template. Now let's choose this template right here. You can preview the template. Let's actually not go with this one. Let's preview this template. Okay, now I like this. So what we're gonna do is select this template right here. So here in the name, you can name it whatever you want. I'm gonna be naming it landing page. Now the URL we have here is the URL that you're gonna send customers to. So if we copy this and then go to the link right here, this is how it's gonna look like. Now, of course, we didn't edit this at all. To edit the landing page, you're gonna go to edit page right here. And now from here, you can do whatever you want with the page. So here I've made like a next gen streaming platform type thing, and here we have a couple of buttons. Let's say you want them to click the start for free button. Let's delete this one. And let's say that here start for free you have like an affiliate link or something. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click this, and then right here in the top left corner we can see there's a submit form, a show pop-up, open URL, next step URL, download a file. Now let's choose download a file, and you can upload a file, whatever file you want. If we go to the next step URL though, let's go to save changes. Now here for start for free, we've selected next step URL, so let's go back and let's go to automation, add rule, funnel step form subscribed. Go to these 3 dots, edit automation rule, go to add action, and here you can choose what action you want the button to do. Now, just some pointers that I would like to point out. For building a web page, I really recommend simplicity and straightforwardness. If you have like a real life store that you want people to shop in, I really recommend having the hero page as simple as possible, and when you scroll down, you can add a map of your physical store. Once you've done making a page, down here you can choose to see how this page would look like on your phone. Now let's save the changes, copy paste the link, and there you go. Now here you have other options such as the A/B test, your statistics, leads, sales, and deadline settings. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.